Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today my special cooking class guest comes from Netherlands. Together we prepare nasi kuning, lemper ayam, besiap basa kalas, bumbu genep, and cukur urap. Thank you so much for coming. Hope we cook together again soon. Matur Suksma. Come and join with me on your next visit to my beautiful island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class too.
On your next visit
For more
to my
information,
beautiful
kindly
island home,
contact me via
and
my
we can
email
cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class too. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur Suksma.